What is a Vsco girl? Hey, what's up guys? It's your girl Sherry. In today's video, I'm going to be doing something that I have not done here yet on my channel or anything like this. I basically am going to be turning myself into a Vsco girl. I just recently learned of this phrase just sometime last week from my daughter. We were out shopping and I was looking at some clothing from Forever 21 and she was like,
"Mom, are you trying to be a Vsco girl?"
and I was like, what the heck is a Vsco girl? So ever since I heard about that, I tried to do some research to find out what a Vsco girl is. I knew of the Vsco app because I've used that a few times to edit some of my photos, but that is about it. I never knew anything about a Vsco girl. So being me, I wanted to see what this whole Vsco girl thing was all about. So basically, if you don't know what a Vsco girl is, if you are like me and you have never heard of it and this is your first time hearing of it, a Vsco girl is pretty much like a Tumblr girl in 2019. So Vsco girls are defined by how they style their lives to be trendy and to match a certain aesthetic. So I decided to take upon the challenge and turn myself into a Vsco girl. Honestly, I didn't even know this was a thing. When I heard it from my teen daughter, I was like, hey, you know what? This could be a good video idea, turning myself into a Vsco girl. Apparently, there are a lot of videos like this out there, but I did not know that because I don't watch those kind of videos. But for somebody like me who is a mom, I have not seen anybody do this kind of video, like mom turning themselves into a Vsco girl. So I guess this will be the first one of this kind. So that is what this girl is going to do. Turning myself into the ultimate Vsco girl mom edition. And the things that are required to become a Vsco girl are an oversized t-shirt, you need Birkenstocks, you need a hydro flask. At first I was like, what the heck is a hydro flask? But hydro flask is a specific brand of a water bottle. So that's what you need. You need some athletic shorts to wear under your t-shirt to give the illusion of if you are wearing bottoms under that shirt or are you not. You need shell necklaces, friendship bracelets, scrunchies, metal straws because you know we gotta save the turtles. You need Carmex lip gloss, of course. You can't be a Vsco girl without your Carmex. You need your Instax camera and I believe a Starbucks drink because all Vsco girls carry around a Starbucks drink. And I think there is like a backpack that is included and I think it's a can backpack. I'm sorry if I'm butchering it. I don't even know what it is. I just seen pictures, but this kind of backpack right here. So in order for me to do this, I'm going to have to do some shopping, but when I shop, it's going to be on a budget because becoming a Vsco girl, these items are pretty expensive. The oversized shirts usually come from Urban Outfitters, and we all know the t-shirts at Urban Outfitters are super expensive. They're like $50 or so for a t-shirt. I've never shopped there. I think I only bought one item actually, and it was like eyeglasses, and that was it. It was 20 bucks, but I don't buy clothes from there because they're too overly priced for me. And Birkenstocks, which is like $130 and up, I'm not buying actual Birkenstocks. So this girl is going to be all on the budget. A hydro flask is expensive. I looked it up and it was like $50 for one bottle. And this mom on a budget obviously is not going to buy no hydro flask. So being the DIY person that I am, I'm going to find something similar to it and I'm going to make it look like a hydro flask. And all the other stuff I might have lying around at home. Friendship bracelets I don't need because she makes them every single day and I'm actually wearing some friendship bracelets, so maybe this makes me a Vsco girl because I'm wearing friendship bracelets right now. Everything else I might buy, I might have to buy the oversized t-shirt. I'm gonna buy a shell necklace, few scrunchies. I want more scrunchies than what we have at home. So let's go turn myself into a Vsco girl. We're actually on our way to Walmart. I'm gonna actually look at the bottles here for a hydro flask imitation because I think I saw one the other day that was only $12, so I might just get that one. This bottle here at Walmart, it's not really like a hydro flask, but it's only $10, and I'm gonna do a DIY to make it look like a hydro flask.
So me being a mom on the budget, this is what I'm gonna get. Found an actual hydro flask here. 40 bucks, okay, well it's not that bad. It was like $50.
Speedo.
But I got one and I'm going to make my own logo. I found these shell necklaces at Ardenes, so I'm gonna get this one here. Alright, so I am at Michael's and I just found these stickers that I'm gonna put on my fake hydro flask, so it's good enough. Or this.
None. Those look weird.
Or this. Either one.
Too weird.
Okay.
Those look weird.
I can get everything that I need for this whole Vsco Girl challenge. I got my t-shirt. I went to Value Village to get that Volcom t-shirt. There was like no other good t-shirts there. I don't need shorts. I'm just checking out the things that I have. Shell necklace, scrunchies. I'm just gonna use like one of hers and a few of hers. And friendship bracelets. It's going to be, I'm gonna take these ones off of her wrist. And I got my hydro flask wannabe metal straw. I got a Instax camera, Carmex, and Starbucks. What am I missing? We got sandals and shorts. Okay, so I think this girl, this mama over here, is ready to become a Vsco girl. All right, so I have this bottle like I showed you that I bought from Walmart. $10 for this bottle, and I'm going to DIY this and try to add a hydro flask logo right over here. So let me show you how I'm going to do that. I tried to trace the hydro flask logo on a piece of paper. Just excuse the little scribble there. I was trying to color it with some eyeshadow. So what I did was I traced it and then I used an eyeliner to actually outline it. I'm gonna take this bottle and I'm gonna take this and put it on like tattoo style, and then I'm gonna add tape and press on it so that I actually have a little design that I can use as a stencil. And then I'm gonna use some white acrylic paint to paint the logo on. How do you guys like my little hydro flask design that I made here? From far away, it doesn't look too bad, but up close you can see the paint details. But this is strictly just for this video. Painted it on, it wasn't as perfect, so I just used a toothpick to outline it to kind of make it a little bit more neater. Let me go and sticker this bottle up with these stickers that I got from Michael's. One thing else that I'm gonna do to make it look more Vsco-y, Vsco girl-ish, is I'm going to add a friendship bracelet on here. I know originally the hydro flasks are supposed to have a little handle and that's where they tied the friendship bracelets on, but I don't have that, so I'm just gonna take this friendship bracelet that is not even completed, and I'm just gonna tie that on there, just to make it look like I make friendship bracelets, even though I don't. But actually I did, but now I don't. So I'm just gonna tie it there just for the look. How does that look, guys? So now this is done. Let's go and put this outfit together. So I think I pretty much nailed everything that I need to become this Vsco girl. I got my shirts over here, the shorts, my sandals, scrunchies, water bottles, stickers, shell necklaces, friendship bracelets. Oh, I'm forgetting Carmex, an Instax camera, and I'm not even going to bother with the rings. And then I'm also going to have an iced coffee. So we'll put that all together once I have all my outfits put on. I have these friendship bracelets. I have this and this. So I actually just took these off of my daughter's wrist and I'm just gonna put them on. I already have some that I have been wearing for a long time already because they're just meaningful bracelets from my kids. But now I'm just gonna wrap these other bracelets on that she made. Now I have all these friendship bracelets on. I think I'm starting to look like one of those Vsco girls. Now the next thing that I'm gonna do is put my t-shirt on. I'm gonna show you guys when I did go to Value Village and I did find a shirt. I was able to find this Volcom shirt. It is oversized away. It's not like super long or anything like that, but it's just long enough to show your legs, I guess. I have no idea what I'm talking about. I was originally going to wear this, but as soon as I got home from shopping, my daughter got her package in the mail of pretty much merch that she ordered. So this is a t-shirt that I'm going to wear for this video, pretty much. And at the back it has their picture on there too. So this is what this mama is going to wear. I'm going to be wearing this pretty much t-shirt for my Vsco girl outfit. I'll be back and I'll show you guys what I'm gonna be wearing. I'm gonna be wearing these little tiny booty shorts underneath because this Vsco girl outfit is supposed to look like you're wearing no pants at all, but really you are. So, you know, let me just put this on. Okay, so this is the shirt that I have on. I kind of like this, even though I'm not a big fan of pretty much. I kind of just like this shirt just to wear it in. I just took my hair down. I just felt like I didn't want to wear a bun. All right, so to complete this, I'm gonna have to add some scrunchies. They're not the best looking scrunchies, but these are all the scrunchies that I was able to find here at the house. I think you're supposed to have it like all up your arm here. So in no particular order, I'm just going to randomly put all these scrunchies on my arm. I guess from the biggest one to like the smallest one. I got these two matching ones here. Maybe I'll put one on this side. I look so crazy and I'm gonna go outside to take pictures, so I have to actually walk to this location, and I just hope people don't think like I'm some weird mom trying to be cool, which I am. So I got this going on that is a little too excessive, I think. So the next thing is shell necklaces. I went to Ardenes and the only ones that I were able to find that were left were these ones and this one. But I think I'm gonna wear this one. So girls wear shell choker necklaces or puka shells or whatever. I showed this to my daughter and she was like,
people don't wear these kind of necklaces. But
you know what, I don't care. I'm not trying to actually be one and stay one. I just want to try it out as a challenge, but I'm not gonna actually wear all this on a regular basis. I'm just gonna wear this for this video. Okay, this mama can pass as a Vsco girl. What else am I missing? I do have my sandals right here. Unfortunately, these are not Birkenstocks. I'm not about to spend $130 for today, although I've had this for a while. These are actually from Ardenes and I think they were like $8, so you know, mom on a budget, why the heck not? So these are what I'm gonna wear, and I'm gonna wear with socks. And I know some people wear them with the Nike socks, but I'm just gonna wear these white socks that I also bought from Ardenes. All right, so I got my socks on and my fake Birkenstocks. Oh my god, I look like the true ideal Vsco girl that you would see walking around the beach or something with her hydro flask, but it's not a hydro flask. It's a fake hydro flask that I've made. One thing I think I need to do is get my Starbucks drink, my Carmex, and my Instax, and I'm ready to be a Vsco girl. And I just found these glasses too. I don't know if this is Vsco girl-esque, but why not? I can take a picture like this, right? Let's go show the daughter. Before I go and show off my outfit, I thought I'd just share it with you guys in this mirror here. Don't mind my mirror. I know it's dirty. Don't hate me on that. This is my outfit from head to toe. Okay, I'm kind of embarrassed to be walking outside like this. Should I just go to the park with pants and then take them off? I want to take a photo, but maybe people can be mistaking me as a teenager. Who knows? Let's go be a Vsco girl. Okay, so I'm gonna go and show my outfit off to my teen, and let's see what she says. I got my hydro flask with me. How do I look? How do I look? Do I look Vsco-y to you? Vsco girl? Can I pass as a Vsco girl?
Sure. Wait, why are you wearing socks though?
Because that's what some girls do.
Socks.
I've seen them. They wear like the Nike socks, so I just put them on because I didn't do my toenails either. So, what do you think?
It's good.
Can I pass as a teenager with you and your friends? How do I look? Do I look like a Vsco girl?
Are you serious?
When am I serious? Do I look like a Vsco girl?
Why?
I got my hydro
yet.
flask,
Not yet.
a scrunchie,
Forgetting one.
friendship bracelets. Oh,
No, not that.
I got my Instax.
Mine.
What am I forgetting?
Your bun.
Well, I took my bun off because I don't want it. Oh, and I gotta get my Starbucks. Mom, do I look like a teenager?
Oh yeah. You look like
This is my teenage outfit. It's called Vsco Girl.
That's not nice.
It's a nice thing. This is my new shirt. Alright, so that is about it for this whole Vsco Girl challenge. I actually did not end up walking. I kind of felt a little bit awkward to walk around to the park like this, so I just took pictures in front of the house and in my backyard. And I guess that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see me do any other kind of challenge of any sort, turning myself into something else that's trendy, because I have no idea what the terms are for all these trendy teens and stuff, but if you guys want to see something, do let me know. Like I said, that is it for this video. It was kind of fun doing this. It made me feel like a teenager all over again, even though my daughter thought that I was kind of crazy. If you guys did enjoy this video, please do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share it, give me suggestions of what other kind of challenges that you guys want to see here on my channel. If you guys want to see a little bit of some of a different kind of content other than hair related stuff, things like this is really fun for me to do. So let me know in the description box if you guys want to see anything else. And also, I have this necklace that I'm going to be giving away too as well. I have no use for this. I just bought it, but if you guys want to win this necklace over here, I'm gonna give this away. Basically all you need to do is just subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, like my video, and when I do post a photo of me wearing like this Vsco style, like that video or like that photo as well. Other than that, that is about it. I hope you guys did enjoy this yet again, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. And